Today I'll show you how to convert text from a PDF file into a Word document with the ability to make change after you converted the file from a PDF to a Word document. Let's go and check how to do it. It's very simple. You have to come to your side menu here at the bottom. Use my Word blank. Once you choose this one, let's go to show a PDF as well. This is the PDF file I want to convert it to Word. Come again to your Word, go to insert. After the insert, you click here, see the object in text from a file. You choose this one, find your PDF, small PDF. PDF is here, and you go to insert. It says that Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. I'm saying OK. And now it is in a Word document. The other good option for this conversion is that you can do the change if you want to. Let's see. Yeah. Anyway. And once you any change you alter any change, you come to File, go to Save As. Where you want to save, I want to save to this PC, to desktop. Then in here you have any extensions, like you want to change it again to PDF, then you choose PDF, or Word, then you can choose Word. It was very simple to convert a text from a PDF file into your Word document and do the edit. Thank you.